Welcome to Google Workspace. So when you first join Google Workspace, you want to, now that your account is set up, you go to myaccount.google.com, use your Google Workspace email and your new password. It'll get you in. It lands you here. And there's a million things I can tell you that you can do with this, but for the most part, we'll set up all the details for you if you have us setting up your Google Workspace. And then what you want to do is you look over here. This looks different on mobile, on tablets, but essentially it has something like this. You just have to look what it looks like on your device. You go here and it shows you a whole variety of things, right? So what's most important to you are two things. You have your calendar, so you can click here, and then it brings you to your calendar. And one thing I would highly recommend is that you create a Google Chrome account for yourself. So you see, this is Louology here. I have an account with Chrome, so it saves everything for me, right? And I also have it set up so when so my bookmarks are showing. So these are bookmarks here, right? These are the things that are most important to me pretty much every day, right? So if you don't see that bar, just click on these three lines and then you want to go to bookmarks and then it's going to say show bookmarks. So that's what you do if it's not showing. And so if you've been using Gmail, this all makes sense, right? And you can see, you can also sync with other people. You can search for people and share folders with, share your calendar with other people as well. And then another thing too is that you want to either go over here. Everyone's browser looks slightly different, but if you want to, you click this star. You can also just grab this, and I usually grab where it has that lock and then pull it down, and that adds it to your bookmark bar. I don't want my calendar, my bookmarks, but you can do that, so it's in the bookmark bar. And then another thing that's incredibly important, this is number one, is your Gmail. So your Gmail set up, and what we're going to do is either load your picture. Right now it's just, it's empty. You load your picture, your logo. So every time you're sending someone an email, they're going to see either your cute face or your brand in there. And then if you're looking at settings, lots of times if you have us set this up for you, we're doing all these things for you, you want to hit this settings bar and you'll see your choices of how you want to see your emails, and then you go to see all settings, and this has far more. So there's other videos that I'm going to go through, if you want every little detail. But for the most part, if you want us to set this up for you, then you get us to set this up for you. But you have your signature block and everything in there. And then all kinds of, I always take off, the one thing I always do is I remove conversations view. I take this off. So you can put on the automations. It's going to show you when you first pop on, enable all the automations, but turn the conversations view off, because that lumps emails together, and it's easy to lose emails, to lose track of those. Another thing with this little menu here is your drive, of course. If you're used to Gmail, you're used to the drive. The biggest thing that's different here is that in this maps area, you're also going to be able to set up your Google Find My Business, and that's going to happen when you have your business and have your location and your logo and things, and your business phone number. Like Revlana comes with a business phone number, so I would wait on that until you have Revlana set up. And then you get a YouTube account. So that's another thing. I would set up a professional YouTube account, but you want to make sure you get everything in Revlana, and your branding, your location, your Revlana phone number. You want to get all of that set up before you set up your YouTube channel and before you set up your Google My Business. And then this is another big piece. This one is the admin. So this is later stage. If you're going to, I'm not going to log into that, but later stage, if you're going to be working with other people and wanting to add new users. And so this is just your email, but that admin panel lets you do things with your domain, with your users and everything. So I hope this makes sense. Hope you appreciate the video.